Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to talk about Ethereum. And if you remember, the last time that we talked about ETH, I think we were right around these areas. And I was saying, look, the fact that we got this move up can be considered as an optimistic sign, but we shouldn't really be jumping into any unnecessary bullish conclusion, at least yet. And let's wait a bit more and see, are we going to have a move up, a very strong one or not? Now, we did get this move on the upside, but the shape of it, to me at least for now, is a bit questionable. You see, first things first, let's just have a comparison between this move up and see how long did it take for us to have this one. About 200 candlesticks. Now, in about the same period of time, probably even less, around about 155 candlesticks, we had this move down. So what does it mean? Despite having way more than enough time, it seems like that for now, at least, again, just for now, bulls are kind of failing to push the price higher and higher. So what's the conclusion in here? I'm gonna say be careful in Ethereum, because this might be a corrective movement and not an impulse, and we may see after this correction is over, or who knows, maybe it's over already, another move down. And in that move, you do not want to see Ethereum taking this important low right in here about, let's say, $1,870. Why is that? Because if you want to be optimistic on Ethereum, then your best shot at finding some sort of an impulse in here is that if you say these are a series of 1-2s, and the invalidation point for that scenario is going to be taking this low. That's why if we go down in ETH and take the lows in here, we are going to at that point completely roll out that 1-2 scenario, which means we are probably going to indeed consider the bearish possibility as our primary case. And I'll be honest, for now, I do actually have that scenario as my primary case. Also, in like very, very short term, I think we can say this is a 1, 2, 3 corrective movement for another move up into wave 5 to about here. And this can be also another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. And okay, if we see one more move down in Ethereum, and in that move we take this low about, let's say, $1,975, well, we're gonna say, you know what, maybe this is an A, B, C zigzag and not an impulsive structure, and this move is going to continue a bit more. Again, this is just for like very, very short term, and you need to have your eyes on this important low. Overall, I would like to suggest to be a bit more patient and see, are we going to have a move down? And in that move, are we going to specifically take these lows about $1,870 or not? If we take them, that is going to be kind of our bearish confirmation, indicating that we may see another move down in Ethereum in order to take the lowest low down here about $1,750. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Ethereum. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.